Good morning, students. Welcome to our English literature classes, and I hope that you all are good in your health and enjoying your online school classes inside safely from your houses. So, students, as we all know that yes, in my previous lecture, in my previous class of English literature, we have started our such an interesting chapter, The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, and this is our lesson 5 in our English literature book. Okay, so today I am taking pictures from page number 71, and please you also read this one. I am just taking 71, this page I am just going to take, and you please read again after my lecture. So let us start it. Yes, this is our chapter number 5, that is The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn. Okay, and as you all know that this one is interesting story written by Samuel Langhorne Clayman, this one. Okay, and the pen name of this person is, as you all know, Mark Twain. So student, let us move to our page number, as you all know, what, 71, and as you all know, this one and this one has been completed. Okay, now from here we are going to start. So student, what is the situation here? Here Huckleberry Finn here seems in a little worry, and he supposed that Pap, the father of Huckle, is here in what, searching of his son Huck. So he is just thinking what, that what if it's Pap come looking for me? What he is just thinking, he was worried here. Worries about why he is worried? He is very worried about it because he just doesn't want to go back with him, and he just wanted here to be here and wants to be a free person. Clear? So I stayed here 2 hours, my heart pounding. I stayed there 2 hours, my heart pounding. What is pounding? That is repeated and very heavy striking or hitting of someone or something. Okay, so here his heart actually was striking very heavily, and Huckleberry Finn stayed here on this tree at least for 2 full hours. He was here at least for full 2 hours. Okay, you can see here, but suddenly he just saw a strange scene. You can see here he just saw something, and it makes him relaxed. And what he just said, Jim, exclamatory marks with Jim, because he was astonished. He saw that he was no one else but he is Jim. Who is Jim? He was a slave, as you know, of Widow Douglas, a servant of Miss Douglas. Okay, so when I calmed down, I hiked back to where the campfire was. Hiked means walked. Okay, go there again. So now he is telling us that how he just found Jim, this person. Okay, he is the servant of Miss Douglas, And he said here that when he was totally sure that he was not his father Pep, so he just calmed down, and again he just returned to that campfire. Here, this is the place, and where he was stayed. Okay, so this was the scene actually telling us about the story here. Now this scene, just have a look here. Suddenly he just shocked, he just saw to whom, Huckleberry Finn here. So he here he just he have found the Jim, slave of Miss Douglas, and when Jim just saw him, he just jumped up, okay, with fear. And you are dead, Huck, he was asking, and in state of shock here, he was shocked almost. So your ghost has come back to hunt me? He is also asking, also the same person from Huckleberry Finn. He is asking also. He was totally terrified. He was very afraid to see this dead boy again in a dark wood, this jungle like this, after having the news of the death of Huckleberry Finn. This is the boy, that one. So he was here, he was terrified. That is the cause. Okay, that is why he was in fear. I am dead, Jim. It was all a trick. And was not. Okay, this is actually a writing style in English. So this is American English. I ain't dead. So here Huck just make him convinced. He is, you can see here, he is little bit smiling also here. He is little bit smiling because he just want to convince that he was not a ghost and he is alive. And Jim here finally is a person calmed down after having the delicious cooked meat in the breakfast, because he was also hungry and he is here without any food. Okay, I will tell you the story, that story also, in my incoming video, sorry. So this is, in previous video we have several knowledge about the Huckleberry Finn, not for Jim. So in our coming story we are going to know about Jim also. Okay, so student, I hope that you all are really enjoying the story of Huckleberry Finn here, and we will just talk more about in my next lecture. Wait for that. So keep learning, read this chapter, and just keep just learning with me in my classes, in my lectures with me, and be safe, and thank you.